Formation of ammonia happens process law. N2 plus 3H2 gives rise to 2NH3. N2 and H2 are 1:3 ratio. A bow reaction is exothermic. Decrease in volume reversibly. కాబట్టి లీ చార్ట్లీ అప్లై చేయండి. Effect of temperature. Low temperature is favored as a reaction exothermic. Effect of pressure. High pressure is favored as a reaction decrease in volume. Pure N2H2, high concentration. Catalyst is iron. Promoter molybdenum. All the very best.